Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10 without using a flash drive or losing files. First, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. The first step, we'll go to Google and search for download Windows 10. We will go to the first link. Now we scroll down. There are two ways to download Windows 10. The first method is through the Media Creation tool. We will download the tool by clicking on Download Now. We will double-click on the tool. This message tells me that this tool cannot be run. Now we will go to the second method for downloading Windows 10. We will return to the Microsoft website again. Then we right-click here. From the menu we select Inspect. From this side menu, we click on this option. Then we reload the Microsoft website. Then we close the side menu. We can now download an ISO image of Windows 10. Now we scroll down. Then click here and select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO. Then we press Confirm. Here we will choose the Windows language. We must choose the same language in Windows 7. Here I will choose the United States English language. Then we press Confirm. Here I will choose to download Windows 10 with a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. To confirm this, we will right-click on the My Computer icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. Here we will click on 64-bit Download. I have already downloaded Windows. Now we will go to Google search again and type WinCDENU. We will go to the first link. Here we click on Download. Then we click on Download. We will now right-click on the WinCDENU program and select Run as Administrator. Here I will check this box. Then check the other box. Then we click on Install. If you see this warning, click Install again. After the installation is complete, we now go to the Windows 10 ISO image and right-click on it. From the menu, we click on Select Drive Letter and Mount. Now we click on OK. This window will appear. We click on Run Setup.exe. Before starting the upgrade process, make sure there is enough free space in Partition C. Here I have over 600 gigabytes of free space in Partition C. There should be at least 15 or 20 gigabytes of free space in Partition C, as this will be checked at the beginning of the upgrade process. Now we will click on this option and select Not Now. If you want to download drivers and updates, leave the selection on the first option. Then I will click on Next. A serial number must be added here. This serial number is for completing the upgrade process and does not activate Windows. I will now go to Google search and type Windows 10 generic key. Now we scroll down. Then we go to this website to get the serial number. Now we scroll down. I will copy this serial key for Windows 10. Now I will press Ctrl+V to paste the serial number into this box. The serial is working. Then I will click on Next. Here I will click Accept to agree to the license terms. Here I am informed that I will be upgraded to Windows 10 Pro and I will keep my personal files and programs. If you want a clean installation without any programs or files, click here and select Nothing. I will now click on Install to begin the upgrade process from Windows 7 to Windows 10. If you are using a laptop, you must make sure it is connected to a power source. The computer will restart several times during the upgrade process. Watch the video to the end and I will explain how to revert to Windows 7 again if you wish. Here we will disable all these options. The upgrade process was completed successfully without any data loss. If you encounter any problems in Windows 10 and wish to revert back to Windows 7, you can do so within 10 days of upgrading. Now we will learn the steps to revert back to Windows 7 after upgrading to Windows 10 without losing data. We click on the Windows logo and from the menu we select Settings. Here we click on Update and Security. From the side options, we click on Recovery. Here is the option to revert to Windows 7. Now we click on Get Started. Here I will choose any reason and click Next. Here you are asked to check for updates to resolve any issues. I will press No thanks. It tells me that I will lose any changes I made to the settings in Windows 10. If there is a password in Windows 7, you should remember it. Here we click on Go back to Windows 7 and the computer will restart and return me to Windows 7. At the end of the video you will find a playlist containing all the Windows 10 tutorials. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.